Open the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of your phone and connect. Confirm your Wi-Fi signal is 2.4 GHz. Power on the smart camera and make sure the indicator is flashing rapidly. Launch the app and tap Add device. Tap Camera Lock. Tap Smart Camera Wi-Fi. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter password. Tap Next. Scan the QR code on your Smart Life app from you'll be 8 inches away to hold a quick connection. Tap I have a prompt when you hear a prompt from the camera. Your smartphone is adding your smart camera. Just need a wait a moment.
Camera online.
Now your smart security camera is successfully added to Smart Life app. Choose a name for the device and click down to view the live stream. Back to the app main interface. Power on the garage door device and long press the on-off button for about 2 seconds and make sure the indicator is flashing rapidly. Tap the plus jar in the top right corner to add device. Enter your Wi-Fi password, then tap Next. Now the door opener is added successfully. Tap Done. Tap the below scene and start to create your smart scenes. Automation created is set. You can start to use it. Tap the Edit of Camera, then add the associated device to camera interface. Now, you can enter the camera and view the live scenes.